Hi everyone, welcome to our channel Design Curious. Today I'm going to share an amazing technique in Canva that you can use to warp text into any shape. For this purpose, first you need to select your shape like we selected a circle here. Then go to Canva's app section, search for the Typecraft app and type the text you want to warp into your shape. You can move your text up, down, left or right to stretch it in different directions and match it with your selected shape. Once done, place it on top of your shape and keep adjusting until it is perfectly aligned. After that, download your shape with text as a PNG with the transparent background. Now go back to app section and select the shape cropper. Upload your PNG file, select the circle shape in shape cropper and zoom in or out to adjust it precisely inside the shape cropper. Once done, add it to your design and you are all set. Use this same technique for any shape in Canva. We even did it for a heart shape using the same method. You can experiment with different fonts and colors to make your text stand out even more. This trick is perfect for creating unique logos, social media graphics, or personalized designs. Just use the available shapes in Canva along with two different free apps, Typecraft and Shapecropper, to achieve stunning results effortlessly. These are just a few examples. You can create any shape with your desired text. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel so we can keep bringing you more tutorials regarding Canva and AI. Thank you so much.